Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for August 11th. We're looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair closed down but just barely had a very sizable range compared to the open to the close range. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias to the downside, possibly moving as high and hitting resistance around 77.25, possibly moving down and hitting support at 76.25. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed higher, overall moving sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 144.15, possibly as low as 140.16. Look for some resistance around 143.15 and look for some support around 141.25. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed higher, moving back to the range here that we had. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 163.66, possibly as low as 160.40. Look for some resistance around 162.75 and look for some support around 161.05. Now the US Swiss, this pair reversed and moved higher, much higher. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.7869, possibly as low as 0.7173. Look for some resistance around 0.7800 and look for some support around 0.7475. Now, as far as news announcements go, we don't have any really strong news announcements tomorrow. I guess the advanced retail sales is being released. That's fairly strong, not an FOMC announcement like we had earlier in the week, but nonetheless being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved higher from 0.1% to 0.5%. Also have the University of Michigan's confidence report being released at 9:55 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has dropped from 63.7 to 62.0. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you look at the US Swiss, this pair has been moving to the downside in a very strong fashion for a very long time. You can see here, if you line up kind of the highs here, we definitely broke through it. Even if you take that line, we still broke through it today. So what I'm looking to do is to take the high, looking for the high to be taken out during this next session, and basically looking to grab a little bit of basically some pips on this move to the upside. Roughly looking to grab about 110 pips off this one. So if this moves higher, looking to buy right here at 0.7684 and then looking to exit that trade at 0.7796, putting my stop loss below this low that we have currently, possibly even this low depending on market action, whether it moves down and then back up or if it just continues to move up from where it's at. So from a risk to reward standpoint, if the low stays where it's currently at, looking to risk about 140 to make about 110. So not quite a 1-to-1, but nonetheless looking for that to occur during this next session in the US Swiss. Hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.